to remove and install the chain and sprockets in the motorcycle. Loosen the front sprocket nut before you remove the old chain. Put the bike in the gear and use a breaker bar to loosen the nut. To install the new chain, you can simply temporarily attach the old chain and the new chain and pull it for easy install of the new chain of the motorcycle. After you pull it, try to measure it or attach the new chain together. Use the chain breaker tool to push a pin out of one of the links and disconnect the chain. After that, just simply connect the chain, adjust it, then loosen the rear axle nut, remove the rear wheel, and unbolt the rear sprocket. Check also the brake plate if it is necessary to change. Replace the old sprocket with the new sprocket. Secure, tight it to make it sure it's totally tight. After you secure, put it back, align it, and attach the chain and make it sure that it's totally well aligned.